Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Today is the last day of the month. We have May 31st, okay, leading into a new month, all right, which means NFP this Friday, okay. Everything's looking pretty good so far. Guys, make sure to check the description box. Not a buy or sell channel here. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. All right, we're not licensed financial advisors, so any trades taken upon yourself. Make sure not to risk more than roughly 1%, okay? Definitely because we're scalping and the volatile markets is kind of going on. All right, so with that being said, guys, also if you're looking for a test out a new broker, check out HankoTrade in the description box, guys. Okay, it's a setup for a demo account. Just maybe download it, see how it goes for you. If it makes sense, then you can go with them. No one's saying you have to. It's just an opportunity. Okay, so let's check it out, guys. You see we have gold here on the daily. All right, we're still in that consolidation range. Okay, you can see nice consolidation in and around here, multiple touches to the top and at the bottom, which is the floor. All right, so let's take a peek now and start counting back so we can get our daily supply and demand zones. All right, I'm looking anywhere around here. Okay, nice supply area, okay, on the daily, and then I'm looking for my demand a little bit below, also on the daily here. Okay, let's just bring this down a tad. All right, so we can gather our support and resistance now. Okay, as I'm looking at gathering some resistance, all right, right at these 2 candle closes. All right, so daily, let's get some going on here. Resistance, I have now daily support coming in. All right, I'm liking in and around this area. You can see multiple touches. They've closed it above. Okay, and then we're at a current wick right there. So I'm looking at some daily support. Yeah, guys, we're going to trade GU today, gold, GU, and probably Nasdaq or US 30. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour now. Okay, so you can see that price has been in this range for the last probably 16 hours range. Sell, try to push, retest, confirmation, close below, and then in and around the bounce area here. So I see nice 4-hour support level coming right here. Okay, and I see some 4-hour resistance right at the top right here. All right, now we got our higher time frames, guys. We can start to jump to the lower. Okay, you can see the gold's been a little bit choppy as of late. Okay, so just make sure you go back, touch of everything. Good. Okay, then we're going to drop to our hourly here. Okay, 1 second, guys. Just need to update something here. Okay, looking now for my hourly. Okay, you can see looking like potentially a double bottom here. All right, there's some hourly resistance. Okay, so 1 hour. Let's take a peek so you guys can see resistance. Okay, Looking for some support level now. We'll break it if we start to get down below the daily. So let's drop to the 30-minute here. Guys, how's everyone morning going so far? I know usually when I start I do top down. It's I don't talk too much, but how's everyone morning going so far? Is everyone having a good morning? I got a birthday girl here in the group, so I want to give a shout out to Nor. Happy birthday to her. Okay. All right. Got some 30-minute support level here. PK, you are mod now. Okay, you should be good, bro. All right. I see some 30-minute resistance. There we go, guys. Good morning. Thank you for the mornings. Hopefully everyone's having a good coffee day so far. Okay, just adjusting accordingly. Okay. Okay, guys, so got about 20 minutes left on the 30. Let's take a peek at the 15 here. Look at this consolidation, guys. Wow, this is choppy at its finest on the 15, okay? You can see nice area of consolidation. In and around that 1850 area, okay? So we have not broke above or below with a consistent hold for continuation. All right, all we've really done is just dip down, push back up, and then holding this consolidation. So let's take a peek at the 5. Okay, so the 15 showed a little bit better, but you can see that on the 5 we have a lot of push-pull movement here. Okay, I'm gonna update this. Okay, get 30, move that over. Perfect. Guys, weather in Canada right now, we're going through a heat wave, surprisingly. It's supposed to be like 31 today, so that'll be pretty interesting, guys. So I'm looking at getting some 5-minute support here. Okay, I see a nice trend starting to form on the 5. Okay, so a little bit of shoulder, head potential shoulder here. So we got 1850 roughly right in here. That's 1850 roughly 0.5. Okay, and then you can see the support is roughly 1848 point, 50, 1849 area. Okay, so we're gonna leave this for right now. I'm just gonna set some alarms. Okay, I'm gonna set some one down here just in case we do start to break. So we just did gold from the top down, guys. I want to check with the RSI here. Heat wave at 31. Guys, I know where a lot of you guys are from around the world. When I say 31, you guys are probably like, that's like a walk in the park. Well, for Canada right now, guys, that is a heat wave. So okay, guys. So I want to get a couple other charts doing. I want to definitely look at Gbp Usd. Okay. So let's just watch and see how this is going to go. Obviously, if we're looking for a break above that 1850 area, I want to close retest and a confirmation continuation. Okay, something like this if we can hold the trend. I'm going to just mark a couple flags here just so we roughly can see in and around the price area. Okay, and then we'll take a peek at Gbp Usd. Yesterday we did Euro, guys, but today we're going to do GU. Okay, so let's go on the daily. Look at GBP, guys. 95 degrees in Dubai right now, Ali. Yeah, you definitely beat me here. Absolutely. Okay, guys, a little bit of supply here. Okay, down, tap it. Perfect. Guys, I'm looking for, you see that bottom wick over here? And then I see where price is starting to get in this general area. So that's why I started to move it down just a tad. Some people wonder why. All right. Going to get short-term demand here. Okay, 1, 2. Perfect, guys. So let's get now our daily support and resistance. I have some daily resistance coming up here. Okay, and then I found some daily support in and around this general area right here. Okay. Okay, just checking good. Simple. $36, guys. 95 here. My goodness. Definitely quite jealous of you guys. We are. Today's like almost the first day of summer for a lot of people. EuroCAD, guys. I didn't look at EuroCAD. We were looking at that last week. Okay, guys. Now I'm on the 4 hour right now. You can see 4 hour resistance coming in. Okay, and then I'm looking at definitely my 4 hour support. Okay, right before. I can see it right from the previous wick to the left. Guys, if you want to see indices, try to pump the likes up a bit. Okay, if you want to see US 30 or Nasdaq, definitely smash that like button. High of 83 in Michigan. Nice. Okay, so just moving some things around here. Get down to the hourly. See nice hourly support if we start to break that 4 hour here. Okay. What do you guys think of GBP? Do you guys think looking bearish here? What are you guys' thoughts? Okay, definitely 4 hour cutting right through. All right, looking for my 30-minute resistance area. Okay. And then we have a coming in with our 15. Take a peek to the left here, guys. 4 hours, still that wick. Okay, looking good. Price has not dropped below just yet. Okay, and we'll go to now the 5-minute here. Let's drop down. Perfect, there we go. Okay, nice little consolidation here too on GBP. Alright guys, so let's watch and see how price is going to move. Okay, we got GU looking for a potential sell-off here, coming down below the 4 hour support. Okay, looking for a close below here on gold. GU. Gold started to flip bearish, guys. Okay, nice bearish continuation here. Just started to mark some stuff up. Okay, and then we'll mark general areas right here. Okay, I see one more clean resistance area, guys, right in this general mark on the 5. Okay. Okay, so I'm looking for GU, maybe a nice little sell opportunity here. Nice continuation on the downtrend. Okay, Goldie sold. Okay, beautiful. So we'll take a peek at XAU sold right off to 47, guys. You can see nice rejection. Okay, so if we start to break this general area right here, guys, okay, it's just getting held at 47.7. Okay, you can see prices tried to make a couple attempts to break above that 1850. Nice resistance area. No confirmation close. Okay, everything's just been pure rejections here. Okay, a lot of rejections. A lot of wicks. You can see these wicks are closing below previous wicks, so that's definitely telling you something that we're approaching the daily support level. Okay, you can see if we start to break this, guys, that's at 1840, roughly 1846.5. If we start to break that, price can start to get down to at least the 4-hour. Okay, 1842. All right, so I'm looking for a dump maybe below there. Okay, as a secondary move, very similar to the move we have up top. Okay, so I'm looking to breaks below, above hourly and below daily. Okay, so my consolidation zone is in and around here right now, just because you can see all the chop, pushing, pulling, pushing, pulling. Okay, so let's just watch and see where we're going to get in probably the next 10 minutes. 10 minutes we're coming to that new hourly candle. Okay, 10 minutes we're coming to the new hourly candle. All right, so I'm just going to erase this right here, edit, delete. Add one more here. And then we got one already set. Okay, what do you guys think on gold? Do you guys think gold is going to go bullish or bearish in around this area? Judging by the clean rejections here, I'm liking a bearish movement too. Okay, but again, everybody knows gold, anything can kind of happen at any time. All right, let's take a look at now the 9 EMA. Okay, we are below the 9. Let's see where the 50 line is. Okay, coming right near that 1852. Okay, a lot of people are saying bearish on gold, which means GU would kind of be similar. Okay, if they're correlated in the right direction. So let's just wait and see how this is going to move. Got a couple minutes here before that new hourly. What do you guys think of the layout here? I know I guys asked you last week, but some of the people might be new. What do you guys think? Do you guys like the new overlay on YouTube? Okay. So let's take a peek, guys. Let's go look at GU as well. Okay, GU is running bearish, guys. Okay. Okay, nice targeted sell continuation. All right, right back down to the hourly. Okay. So guys, we need to start breaking this wick right here. Okay, for the continuation. If we look on the higher time frames on GU, you can see that we're approaching that overall 200 EMA, which will be near the price of 1.25573, roughly 1.25600. Okay. Okay, and we go down to the 5. Okay, GU is looking good here. Okay, got about 2 minutes left, guys. Let's watch and see this break. these numbers up here just to get to 8. Good. Okay, guys, so nothing was broke just yet. About a minute and 30 here. Big drops, guys, coming back down. Okay. Let's take a peek, guys. Definitely looking for a nice potential break below there. Okay. Looking for a daily, maybe tap. Okay, just because the overall trend has been bearish on the hourly, right? When we go to the hour we just showed you, continuation down to that 25600. Okay. So let's go take a peek at Goldie too. And then, guys, at around 8:05 we'll do Nasdaq or US 30. Okay, new hourly coming up here, coming right back down. See the retesting. Okay, 5 minutes until that 8 a.m. candle. Okay, approaching that 1846 area. Okay, price is still looking good. You can see clean resistance started to break that uptrend, and you can still see now we're heading towards that overall downtrend. Okay, guys, we're at the daily support. So if we start to break the daily, we can come back down all the way to the 4 hour here. Okay, let's watch and see. About 4 minutes left, guys. So we're just tapping that 18, roughly 45, 46. Okay, right now, looking for that 1845.2 area. Okay. All right, let's take a peek at now the RSI. Looking pretty good, juicy here. Okay, let's just update that to probably 45 mark. Just make it a little bit more of an even number for us. Okay. Okay, looking good. 38 around area, guys, down here, that's the daily demand area. Okay, so if gold can sell off all the way to there, this thing is going to continue. Okay, watching for the new hourly candle to open, guys. Everyone's waiting to sell gold. If you sold from the 46 to the 43, you would be following the trend. Okay. Again, I always say just wait until that new hourly in about 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay. It's 45. Okay, psychological number here. Looking like we're still getting a continuation. It's Let's watch and see from 45. Okay, maybe down to here. See the initial break. Let's watch. That's why you wait for the hourly, guys. That's why you wait for the hourly. Okay, you can see big momentum push, flipping right back and holding that daily. Okay, let's take a peek at GU for 1 second. Gold is pulling some last minute head fakes, okay, before the new candle opens. So I just want to check out GU. Okay, nice level of support here. All right, looking for a potential push into some consolidation. Let's watch and see. We got about under a minute left here, guys. This could be the last piece attempt at the trend break, okay, before the new hourly. Okay, nice support level here. Remember I told you it had to break that wick. Nothing was broken. Okay, and then you can see clear push to now the trend. Okay, so this is where we're going to watch and see what kind of move we're going to get at that 30-minute here, because this is going to be the break. Okay, but then you can see we have the constant resistance here. So we're going to watch price. Let's take a peek at the hourly. Okay, in and around this range right here, we started to pick up some liquidity. All right, here we have 8 a.m. now, guys. This is what I wanted to see. So we just crossed that trend for now. Here's the retest on the 9, pushing right back into that consolidation. Let me take a look, guys. I didn't send that one, so let me just take a peek here. Give me 2 secs. Okay, I see what you're saying. Let me just modify that, guys. Okay, cool. Okay. So 4 minutes here, right back consolidation. Let's take a peek at Goldie for a sec. Pushing right back up. Okay. There we go. Remember we talked about that range, guys. So look at the 15-minute. Right back in there. Look at this. Heavy dips. Okay, pushing right back into the range. Okay, look at that dirty wick, guys. So we're going to attempt this one more time. We got to watch this area right here. Watch this price. Okay, if we start to break above, okay, with a nice confirmation, we're starting to break above the 50 here. Let's take a look at the hour. Okay, hourly. We're approaching those 209 EMA. Okay, there we go. Just tapping now 1850 here. Both GU. Okay, getting some rejection. All right, at that 9 EMA, gold is starting to push. So I'm watching gold clean here. I want to see if we're going to get another rejection and possibly fill this wick right here. Okay. Okay, so guys, I haven't even hit the first 5 minutes left, about a minute and 36. This is still just the normal candle. Okay, I'm having a feeling that they're going to try to get rejected. Okay, multiple attempts right here. If that's the case, we'll start to fill this bottom wick. Okay, if we do start to break here, we're going to get a nice area of resistance right at this 200 EMA. Okay. Okay, remember we talked about rejection here. Guys, if we look at GU here, we're going to see nice clean resistance for GU pushing right back to the downside here. Okay, guys, a lot of rejection still happening at that 1850 mark. Let's take a peek at GU2. Okay, remember we talked about GU having that last minute push. Okay, gold was rejected too, guys. Let's take a peek one more time. Okay, so nice rejection here, nothing closed above, guys. So if they don't hold this above the 9, this thing's going to start to fill. Okay, so we'll take that range, guys. Look at the range on gold right here. This is what you want to watch. Higher time frame. Okay, clean rejection off the 9, starting to push back down. This is that range I was mentioning to you about on the 15. Okay, if you look on the 5, you can see prices in and out of it, but that's a general consensus area where price has wanted to push. That 1850 area is like a magnet. All right. Okay, let's update some stuff here. Okay, let's take a peek at GBP2. Gold is ranging at this current time. We'll take a look at the news right after. Okay, GU still holding. See if we can start to float. Okay. There we go. So that steady uptrend is going to make it test, okay, that 9 EMA. So I'm still liking this pathway on GU if we get some nice rejection here coming back down to the daily. Okay, GU's pushing. Let's take a peek at gold here too. Okay, holding that nice level of support. Definitely a range right now until we get to the overall push. Okay, got about a minute 22 here. Okay, so if we break that 1850 mark, like I said, it's looking for a nice bullish run here, but again, a lot of resistance. How many times can we get rejected? That's the key thing. How many times can you get pushed back down before, you know what I mean, the price actually starts to fall? All right, have long wicks here. This is what we're looking for on gold. Guys, I'm just gonna grab a quick coffee. I'll be right back in 2 seconds, and then we'll continue here. Okay. Okay, guys. Definitely testing, holding above that 9. Okay. Coming back up to that 1850 mark. All right, this is coming at 1850.5. All right, so they've attempted to look at this range across here. Multiple attempts to break this level, guys. So if they do, this thing's looking pretty bullish at this time. Okay. Okay, there we go, breaking above 1850, guys. We're going to look at 815. We'll do US 30. Okay, there's the gold buy. Let's watch and see here. Just now testing above. It's about of a spinning top indecision right here. Okay. Okay, big moves above, guys, following this pathway so far. This is the first time in the last, since 5:50 in the morning, that we broke above. Okay. So the stop loss, hunt, okay, it looked very popular for a potential sell. Okay, and then you can see they're pushing it up to the upside. Big move coming in from right after 1850. Okay, there's 1850 right there, guys. You can see that's where they held the support, starting to push to the upside here. Okay, so let's take a peek. 1850 and the 200 starting to move. Okay, it's about 30 pip move from 50 down to the up to the 200, which is roughly 1853. Okay, currently tapped 1851.8. All right. Okay, so go 2 minutes here, guys. I'll flip over and check GU2. GU made a nice little bounce. What do you guys think on gold right now? Do you guys think it's going to break that 200? Okay, what do you guys think? I think it can maybe tap probably 1854 mark here. Definitely tap that 30-minute resistance. Okay, so we'll work on our first one, which is about 25 pips. Okay, so nice big break above here, guys. Remember, we talked about breaking down here. Nice liquidity. That was 755. Wait for the hourly. You can see it then corrected and flip bullish. All right, following this general pathway right here. So if you guys are in on this, okay, from 1855, sorry, 1850.5, it's coming out 1852.6. Okay, so the pathway is continuing. Looking for a potential target around 1854 area. Okay. So we're looking at something like this. Okay. Have your stop loss nice and tight right down here. All right. This is the pathway right here, guys. Okay. If you want to have a tighter stop loss here, if we're looking for a sell, okay, right after the hourly, that's what we're looking for down here, short term, back down to the daily. Where would my stop loss be? Previous support, previous resistance, or next general area right around here. Okay, so those are the two general areas that we had set up before. I don't always put this green chart on, so every time I do, you can see I try to edit it and there's a big chart that pops up. Okay, so right now, guys, I'm looking for price. Looking for a potential breakthrough right here. Okay, the sells were non-evident right now. Remember, the sell stops are still valid. Okay, but the buys end up taking over from the original trade. All right. So if you guys are in on this, you have your stop loss, depending on where it is, you can make it nice and tight, okay, or you can move it to actual break even, whichever one works best for you. All right. But 4 minutes left here. I want to check GBP for 2 seconds here. Okay, GU's Chop Fest. Okay, still holding that trend though. Okay, looking good. Okay, so let's take a peek at Forex Factory right now. Okay, so guys, today is the day. You can see we have 8:30 news Canadian. All right, it's sort of an orange folder. Then you have 9 a.m., 10 a.m. news US. Okay, so now it's 8:16, guys. We'll check out Nasdaq. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Guys, you want to smash it up to 200 likes and I'll do Nasdaq top down. We'll miss some big moves. Let's take a peek at NAS. We'll do US 32. We can do either or. Look at big move on US 30. If you guys want US 30 or Nasdaq, guys, smash that like up to 200 for now. Okay. Nice resistance area. Okay, so nice move on gold pushed, and then you can see the resistance starting to hold pretty strong off that 30. Okay, let's finish off this candle about 1:50 here. I want to see what the reactions are going to be on gold. GU is starting to sell off, guys. Just want to see what's going to happen with gold, if it's going to break through this 200 EMA or not. I want to see if it's going to at least tap, and then we'll flip, okay? Okay, guys, as soon as it taps that 200, you can look to TP, okay, or at least secure some. Okay, guys, we just hit another 100 subs. We're almost at 34,000, all organic, nothing paid. One more. We'll do a giveaway, guys. At the 34,000 mark, we'll give away a free monthly membership. Okay? So if you guys want that, monthly membership is yours at 34,000. Okay, GU just broke down, guys. There we go. Let's watch on gold here, guys. Remember, tapping at that 1852.5, even the 200, that's your TP. Don't get greedy on this, okay? Don't get greedy. As soon as it taps, get in and out. Let's take a look at GU. There's GU, guys, slowly starting to dump off, following the path, okay? Okay, and now we got a monitor right here, guys. Coming to that hourly. Gotta watch, okay? Nice resistance here. Remember, this was the hour. See what happens, guys, when you buy right before the hourly. You could have got stuck hard, okay? You could have been in buys and then heavy drawdown starting to come, okay? Now let's watch and see. It's going to retest the overall previous support that it just broke, and we're going to see if we're going to get a continued fall following this pathway right here, okay? If we dumped him here to here, guys, that's looking about maybe 20 pips. Okay, roughly maybe 20 pips. Okay, so let's monitor check out gold too. Okay, remember I told you guys to look to take your TP. Gold started to flip. Okay, getting clean resistance, didn't even tap the 200, all right? So nice big move, resistance. Now we're looking for potential short, testing at least the hourly resistance on gold, okay? Tom, yes, it would have to break and hold below for that overall trade. Sometimes you might get an impulse break, okay? Okay, so this is the only time we went to right here, roughly 1852.6. Okay, GU is still selling, guys. Okay, GU is moving, gold is selling off too. Okay. Okay, let's take a peek at the DXY actually. Okay, DXY is starting to push. Alright, so we're getting some gold reversal here. Okay, nice 20 pip move, rejected now if you didn't take any of your pips right here. So let's watch and see what kind of movement we're going to get now in terms of a sell, okay? Take a look at GU2. There's the GU sell, guys. Nice dump, starting to break. Okay, don't cut, guys. If you guys are in from that trade, do not cut. See, follow through the path. The drop below 25780. Okay, this thing is selling off huge, guys. Nice dump right back down to the daily. Okay, remember we talked about this on the hourly. Okay, have your stop loss in and around this area right here at the 30-minute. And see, it's roughly around about 5 pips. Okay. "34 seconds here. Let's watch and see how the new candle starts to open. Okay, 6 seconds. Okay, so let's take a peek to the left now, guys. Let's take a peek to the left. There we go, still running. There's the drop here. Okay, remember I told you, wait for the hourly, guys. If you waited for hourly, you guys would be banking right now, okay? The best entry was actually right up here when it broke this level. So this target, this area should have been right up in this area, okay? Again, we waited for, like I said, the hourly drawn. But if you wanted a nice sniper entry right here when it broke the support level, you could have had a sell stop right around here, okay? Still good. Dropped about 10 pips, guys. You can look to secure some of this. We're looking for a potential continuation. All right, so don't get greedy on this. If you guys want to secure some, leave some and go from there. We'll take a look at gold here too, and then Nasdaq right after. Let's take a peek at gold. Don't get greedy here, guys. I'm going to mark one more level of support that we need to break. Okay, and we'll go check out gold. There's the sell-off, guys. Okay, so remember, look to secure. If you didn't, you're in heavy drawdown. Now would be your stop loss to get out at for everything, okay? They're probably going to look to maybe start filling this wick down here. Okay, I'm in a small gold sell right now, guys. Small initial runner, okay? Two minutes, we'll check out GU as well. I'm going to actually flip over, look at doing Nasdaq very soon. UJ's pumping, guys. I don't really do USD JPY here. We looked at Euro JPY yesterday, okay, and then CAD JPY for us was crazy. If you guys have been following the channel and stuff like that, I'll flip right back here, but this is CAD JPY from us, guys. This is from the 4-hour. Okay, we had multiple entries right here. We had a one buy area right here, and then you had another buy coming back. We set this on May 20th, and you can still see it starting to flip and having its extreme bullish move. Okay, big move, guys. All right, let's check out Euro JPY too. I want to see one more, and then we'll go back. Okay, we got a trade ready on Euro JPY right up in here. Okay, so let's just watch and see. We'll focus on GU2. There's GU, guys. Look at this on the 5. Starting to push right back up now as a retest. Okay, so they're making similar movements here, but gold is dropping. All right, GU is starting to run here, so a little bit of correlation. I want to see now what they're going to tap based on that hourly. Okay, if they hold down below, oh guys, gold just dumped. There we go. Okay, 1850. Just want to see what 1848 looks like. Okay, let's watch and see now if we're going to get a continuation. Getting below near that daily, guys, which we're coming to right in around here. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you guys think gold is going to come back down to get to the overall daily demand? Or do you think she's going to hold this level here, maybe make an inverse head and shoulder, and then start to push to the upside? Here's that 8:30 candle, guys, just about to open up right now. Okay, it's 8:30, guys. Let's take a look at Nasdaq as well. I'm going to flip over and do it right now. Okay, got a good amount of likes, guys. Thanks so much for the support. We'll flip into Nasty. Okay, so let's go to the daily here. My nostrils is why it's actually the fan behind me. Yeah, my nostrils is violent. That's the best comment I've heard all day, guys. My word. Okay, so look at this, guys. This was, remember last week we had daily targets here. Now we're looking for rejections. All right, so key areas right here, pretty straightforward. I'm not going to get any supply and demand. I'm going to look for daily support and resistance breaks. Okay, so daily resistance here. And I'm going to break it down right here for daily support. Okay, let's drop it now down to the 4-hour. Okay. Nice 4-hour support coming down below here. Okay, we'll drop down to the hourly. Coming back in. Nice hourly resistance here, guys. I see nice hour support coming in right before the overall daily. Yeah, gold is flipping a little bit bullish right now, guys. And we have our this 1-hour resistance. Okay, and then you can see Nasdaq is still selling off. Okay, here you can see on the hour. All right, daily support starting to form. Just move that down a bit. Okay, we'll take a peek at the 30-minute. Okay, 30-minute resistance. Okay, looking good here. You start to break. We're coming into that consolidation mark, guys. Nice selling pressure. Okay, coming back into 30-minute. Okay, nice resistance level on the 15 coming in. Beauty. Okay, and then we'll take a peek right at the 5. So Nasdaq still selling into that consolidation, guys. Nice clean breaks here. Constant sell pressure. All right. Let's take a peek now. We got one more 5-minute resistance. Okay, so if we're looking pretty bearish on Nasdaq, this thing is still dopping. Okay, let's take a peek. See, we're at the 200 and the 9 below the 200. Okay, so she's selling, looking decent. All right, so guys, if we start to drop below that hourly, I think we can come at least down to the daily. Okay, before maybe the market starts to open here. Okay, well, let's just watch, wait and see. Don't see much of a little bit of divergence here. Price is selling off. You can see making a little bit of a bullish move. All right. So I'm watching this consolidation here. I want to see what's going on in the long wicks. Okay, nice support. This is going to act as nice resistance before we get a nice little push. Okay. So we break down below here, guys, looking at getting to the daily. Okay, if we do look to break, most likely we're going to come back to that overall head and shoulder pattern. Okay, shoulder here, let me explain what happened. Okay, shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay, here's the neckline. Okay, broke, here's the retest, and then had its continuation. Okay, so nice big moves here. Let's just set up some price flags. And guys, remember, this is on Global Prime. All right, might be a little bit different than yours. Okay, so let's take a peek at gold GU. Everything is kind of flip-flopping right now. A little bit of indecision. Okay, let's take a peek at GU. Okay, retested overall. Entry. Going to see what kind of move we're going to get for the possible continuation. This is the first time it's retested that, guys. You can see it just dropped here. It retested that hourly. This will act as resistance now. And we're going to see if we're going to get a motion continued sell here. Okay, let's see if we can start to fill that wick. You can see they're holding nice level. $25663. Okay, a little slow here. Goldie pushed up too. Let's take a peek at gold, and we'll focus on Nasdaq coming in. Gold's right back up to 1850, guys. You can see it has not broke below. Okay, you can see holding that level at roughly 1848. Okay, nothing has broke below here. Okay, this was like similar to yesterday, guys. Price was at a key level even on the 15. Let's watch. Yeah, this is something you want to stay away from at this time, guys. I do like the engulfing candlestick here. Price is shooting down, so let it test that hourly, okay? And we're going to see then maybe if it's going to start to push back down, all right? Remember, we have that 200 right below, okay? And then you can see the 9 is starting to get tested again. You want to see how this move closes, guys? Then we're going to focus on nasty, okay? This is not what you want to be trading, okay? I just want to see the definite close of the current candle here, getting a little bit of a push. Okay, this is going to be the 840 candle leading into market open, all right? Okay, so a little bit of a wick there. Let's go take a peek at nasty, 20 seconds. Okay, so there's the sell here coming in. Okay, looking good, guys. So if we start to break down below here, looking for a short possible sell coming back down to the 30-minute. Let's watch. Gold is selling off here, guys. Okay, beautiful sell. Let's see now if Nasdaq will follow. Take one more peek at GU here right after. I just want to see nasty. Okay, GU starting to push back down, guys. Continued motion on GU. Same with nasty. Let's see, gold is selling off too. There's GU, guys. Nice continued motion here. Okay, starting to break. Looking good. Okay, gold is indecision too. Radar hovering around that 1849.5 area. Okay, just focus on GU, guys. We're going to focus on the one that's running. I had a feeling GU was going to continue to sell. Okay, it's starting to hold now. Okay. 2 minutes 45. Let's watch the candle close here. 2 minutes, guys. Okay, we'll come back. I'm just going to set one more alarm. Just right here, so if we retest. Okay, there's GU. Okay, Nasdaq, guys, starting to flow down. Okay, looking for the short back down to the daily, guys. Okay, let's watch and see if this is going to play out. Don't always like putting those charts. Okay, nice sell here. Starting to look to close. Let's just watch and see now. about a minute left. Okay, I want to see these new candles open here, guys. Coming into 8:45, this is going to be a nice momentum shift, potentially, if we're going to get this nice little drop. So, gold, GU were nice. Let's see if Nasdaq can get this play here, okay? Okay, guys. Let's watch and see. Okay, guys, so just watch and see. 10 seconds here, waiting for this candle to close, next one to open. Then we'll check out GU and GU and gold. Okay, gold is still selling off here. We'll see GU right after. Okay, so Nasdaq's looking to continue. Watch and see here. Rated around in this general area right here. I want to see the 30. So we have an alarm here. As soon as this flips off, guys, we'll come back. Let's check out GU. Okay, GU, guys, nice level of support here. Okay, so probably going to test that 9 EMA, then we're going to see if we're going to fill that wick. What I'm noticing here on GU, see that lower wick below, it pierced through the previous support. This thing is still bearish at this time, guys. Okay, but now we just need to start to see it fill these wicks right here. Okay, slowly but surely it might. Okay, so we have an alarm set here. We'll tap. All right, let's see gold as well. Okay, so this was over here, guys. That was not anything to do with after the fact. We're going to see now if we're going to get some holds, some continuations here. Very choppy at this time. Okay, gold is just consolidating here. So I'm going to leave gold alone for right now, guys. You know the areas. Okay, we'll focus on Nasdaq and GU. Okay, let's watch and see the support level get broke here, guys. Making a low. Guys, what time do we start the stream? It starts at 7:40. Okay, 7:40 at time. Okay, we go to about 9:45, 10, depending on the news. All right. So it's finding its support here. Okay, let's see if we can get a nice little push back into the consolidation. That's why I wanted to wait for the new candle to open, guys. All right. Okay, so pushing right back up in here. I'm still watching this overall downtrend. Okay, you can see nice downtrend holding below that 9 EMA. I'm only looking for potential opportunities if we start to cross here. You can see that we've tapped. Okay, a little bit of divergence spotted on Nasdaq. Okay, looking for a potential bull run here. Okay, maybe how long, I'm not sure. Could be short-term cool-off. Okay, well, we'll take a look at the hourly. I always have to look at higher time frame, guys. Okay, right here you can see as soon as we get to this push continuation, price is getting a little bit of a wick down here. Price can still drop down to the daily, no problem here, guys. Just gonna add one more below. Okay, just in case, because remember, we're on 5 minutes. All right, this is the 15. We're now retesting that overall 9 EMA. Okay, and the 200. So if these cross here, guys, this thing is going to be a death cross. So Nasdaq will have its continuation on the higher time frame. Okay, just because you see something on 5 minute, you're going to see a short-term little bit of a pullback here. Okay, regardless, it happens on lower time frames. All right. Let's take a peek at gold here, and we'll look at GU as well. Okay, gold, heavy consolidation still. Okay, we'll take a peek at GU too. Okay, remember we talked about filling these wicks, guys. Still attempting to do this on now the almost 9 o'clock candle, 8:50. All right. Okay, we'll sit on here for a couple minutes. We'll flip over. Okay, Nasdaq is finding that level of support, guys. Everything kind of is flipping green at the time. Okay, coming into the new hourly and 4-hour candle. Okay, so there's GU, guys. Did not drop below just yet, retesting that 9 EMA. Okay, if we break this stuff, guys, I think we'll catch the nice little reversal on GU. But let's watch and see one more time on the hour. Okay, they're getting some push coming in off the 200 EM. Okay, right here. That's where we're looking. All right, you can see the 15 is holding. Okay, getting some rejection here. And then the 5 is showing the same thing. Okay, 5 is showing actually more bullish volume than any other time frame. Okay, so let's just watch. Critical area, guys, higher time frames around the moving averages. So take a peek at Nasdaq here too. Okay. Okay, right back into consolidation, guys. This is what I'm looking for here. A nice move. Look on the higher time frames. Okay, remember we are still bearish here. We got to check with this 9 EMA. Okay, so let's watch. Looking for a potential short opportunity and anywhere around here. Okay, see what happens at the moving average. Let's watch. Okay, push, pull, guys. Yep, Scotty, you know it. Gold is doing the same thing, so I leave gold alone. Okay, let's just sit on tight on nasty. Okay, GU flipped again, guys. Starting to push right back, filling those wicks. Let's take one more peek at G. Okay, still like GU as bearish, guys. That 9 EMA is holding everything right back down. Okay. Never flipped bullish, guys, at all. Okay, it showed bullish tendencies. Okay, but if you look at the higher time frames, remember we kept looking at the hourly. Okay, there's a reason I did that. For everyone buying GU, okay, you guys probably bought the dip, so hopefully you secured. You know what I mean? Hopefully you guys secured. Okay, gold selling off, GU selling off. Let's take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is short-term selling off. Okay, Nasdaq is right at that entry here, so let's watch. All right, holding some support. Okay, let's take one more peek at gold too, and then we'll flip back to GU. Okay. Oh, that was Bitcoin wrong one. There's gold. Okay, heavy resistance, guys, coming. Look at the resistance here. We caught the initial pop, and then it's still continuing. All right. Last one is GU. Okay, so it's closing below now. Starting to get that little bit of a push. Okay. Just take some time here, guys. Okay, there's a lot of buyers in this area. You can see, guys. You can see they're trying to push it up quite profusely. All right. I do think daily target is it's possible. Okay, but you're gonna have to deal with a lot of sellers trying to push down with a lot of buyers pushing up. Okay, so give it some time. Might not happen right away. All right. But you might get short-term pullbacks like we've been having before, pullback, continuation, pullback, continuation. But I like the way that GU is starting to run. Okay, what do you guys think on GU? Do you guys think GU is going to flip, or do you think GU is going to continue? Okay, time will tell in about 3 minutes here, guys. 3 minutes. Okay, so get a little bit of a pop here. Let's take a peek on nasty. Okay, let's see if we can get that continuation, guys. We might not get the drop fully. Okay, we're going to see maybe we can get a nice little scalp coming in out of here. I am in this NAS sell right now. I got in right around here. I sliced the sell. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, pretty choppy right now. One more check on GU here. Nasty's still selling. The only one that's not, guys, is gold. Gold's being the only fickle thing today. Okay, there's GU, guys, now finding that nice level of support. Okay, don't get greedy here. Dropped about 12 pips. Okay, now you're testing that 9 EMA again. All right, and this is 1 minute, guys, until the new hourly and 4-hour candle opens. Okay, 9 a.m. All right. So let's watch and see how GU closes and how we're going to get our continuations or reversals. All right. Okay, GU is looking pretty juicy right now. So is gold, actually. So is Nasdaq. Is anyone in Nasdaq with me? Slowly but surely. Okay. I'm going to secure some, guys, just because the overall time. Okay, I did a 5.0. You guys normally I do that. I'm going to secure 4.0 and leave a $1 runner. Okay, it's currently up 15 pips right now. We'll do US 32, no worries. Coming in 9 o'clock, guys. Guys, smash the likes to 300 if you want to see US 30 here. Okay, there's about almost 1,000 people on the stream. Okay, if you guys wouldn't mind 300 likes, not too much to ask for. Okay, so they're starting to hold now. Starting to get that momentum push. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm still up about 5 pips. I'm going to probably secure this and let it go. Okay. I just secured it. I'm letting it go. All right. Trade would run too much in the drawdown. We'll look for potential buys. Okay. And we're going to see. Okay, so we're looking for now switching over to potential buys, guys, coming in. Jesse, you don't know about the Zoom though, so don't need to just check on YouTube. That's the thing. So took just in time, guys. If you took, you can now start to see if it would have hit your stop loss here, guys, looking good. So now we can start to flip, watching how the price is going to make in about 3 minutes and 10 seconds here. So I'm going to actually flip over, guys. I'm going to wait until 9:30. All right. I'll post the trade. Okay, and now we're flipping over and going bullish. Okay. Okay, so guys, if we start to get above that 15-minute now, okay, sorry, the 5, all right, I'm going to look for a potential buy coming into maybe the market open, all right? Let's just watch and see. It's coming to that critical point, to the resistance to the left. You can see previous consolidation. Okay, and we're going to see what's going on with GU here. Okay, so GU is finding that critical level of support. How many times are they going to test here before and they're not going to break, all right? So let's watch and see here if we're going to get maybe GU pushing right back up to the consolidation. Okay. Okay, about a minute here. Okay, let's take a peek at gold too. Still in that range. Look at this, guys. What a chop fest today. Okay, you can even see the moving average. Horizontally, stagnant since 635. Okay, so not the best to trade at this time. Just sit back, watch, wait, and see. All right. You can see we have pathways that we're looking for, continuations already set. Nothing kind of broke below. Have a nice little possibility to the upside. Nasdaq is still flipping bullish here, guys. Let's watch and see. Yeah, still holding above. Okay, a little bit of resistance coming in from previous structure, kind of how we mentioned. Alia, that's what I'm looking for. You can tell by that one trade that the sell stops coming in. Might not trigger right now, but it might take a little bit of time. Okay, so push right above here, guys. Okay, let's watch and see on Nasty. The retest of the 15-minute. Okay, so Nas is pushing, guys. A little bit of bullish divergence here. Okay. We start to break this 5-minute. All right, we'll watch and see the kind of move we're going to get. Okay, so right here, looking for a micro move back up to the 30-minute. Okay. Let's watch and see how we're going to get this going. Okay, so guys, 906, we're going to head over and do US 30 as well. All right, just wanted to set some things up for Nasdaq. If Nasdaq still drops, guys, I'm going to take them short below there. Okay, but if we obviously get some most momentum, break above the 5-minute, which is not going to be strong. Okay, we can definitely tap that 30-minute coming near the 200. All right. Okay, so let's just watch patiently. We want to see the close coming in and checking the DXY here. Okay, so DX pushed, guys. Nice momentum here. Gold had no correlation whatsoever to this. Kind of just jumping in and out. All right, not much is being done. It's kind of a choppy day today. You can see definitely on gold. GU, I think, started to flip script a bit. Yeah, there we go on GU. Okay, so starting to test that hourly. Okay, so nice rejection coming here too. Has not closed above here just yet. All right, but if we do look for continuation, guys, I'm looking for a GU potential buy right up in this area right here. Okay, give it some time, get it above, right back up in the consolidation. All right. Okay, your Nasdaq was flipping. Okay, everyone's saying looking for buys. Can watch and see here. Nice rejection coming back in for a retest. Okay. Okay. All because of previous structure consolidation. Take a look at the 15-minute too. All right. Rejection coming in at the 9 and the 200. This is what I wanted to see. What I was hoping for is price would come up to this area. It wouldn't pierce through. Okay. It would kind of hold below the 200. All right. And the 9 would hopefully cross. Obviously, can't guarantee anything. Shit happens. Okay. Push right back up. All right. Tried to retest the 5-minute. And now getting that indecision balance candle right at the 9 and the 200. Okay, let's see GU again. Okay, it's still getting that clean rejection, guys. Nothing broke. We'll check Goldie here. We'll do US 30 coming in about maybe 5-6 minutes. Look at gold. Gold is not something, guys, you want to mess with right now. I do see a nice little bit of a long wick there, but continuously rejection at that hour and even at the 30-minute. Guys, if you're longing anything right now, I wish you the best. And it's not a bad thing. I'm just saying it's coming into like 9:30 market open. I saw someone say in a long gold. I saw another pair. Just I would be waiting until 9:30, but that's just a suggestion. You don't need to look at or you don't need to take anything that I say. You can take with a grain of salt. So. Let's take a peek at GU2. Yeah, GU's waiting, guys. GU's waiting. It's at that critical point. Okay, it's at that critical point right there. It's crossed, but it could cross back. Okay, we'll take a peek at US 30, guys, in about 2-3 minutes here. Okay, looking good. Nasdaq is pushing, guys. I want to see GU one more time. I want to see NAS and GU. These are the two guys that I'm watching carefully right now. Okay, got about 2 minutes here. Let's just get this closed. Okay, let's all take a peek at Nasdaq now. I wanted to see what's going to happen there. Getting some nice rejection here. Okay. Nasdaq is floating right at the potential entry. So here, guys, if you don't feel comfortable, we got, remember, market open coming at 9:30. Okay. So totally up to you whether you want to take a look to take this trade or not. 30-minute would be TP. Okay. running about 8 pips, guys. Okay. Taking a bit of time. Okay, taking a bit of time here. As soon as 9:15 happens, guys, I'm going to flip over and do US 30. Okay. I'm running about 10 pips on the buy, guys, right now. Alright, I'll post it to the group just so you guys can see. Go to the Free FX group, guys. It's pinned to the top of the channel. What I think about gold, I'm a little bit bearish on gold, but again, anything can happen. They've attempted to break it bullish multiple times. Okay. Guys, I secured that. Okay, I'm good now. I'm looking now. Good. Flip over to US 30. You want to check the trade I just took, you can post it and you can check it in the Free FX group. Okay. Alright, you can see now it's going to retest probably the overall initial area here. Okay. So let's go take a peek at GU. Okay, slowly starting to push now here, guys. As soon as this is happening, I'm going to watch for about a minute here. Okay. Okay, let's take a peek at Goldie here. 1851, so it started to float. Okay, so it broke 1850, coming to that 1851, guys. So watch. See, nice little move here, continuous. All right. Still holding strong below that trend. We're going to head over and do US 30 now. Okay. I'm pretty much done with gold right now, guys. Just watching it carefully if you'd like to. All right. I'd rather do US 30. And we'll take a look at the daily here. Okay, so guys, last week on Friday, we ended the call, all right, with this big bullish push, daily target. Okay, now we're right back at almost the potential entry here. Okay, let's see some resistance now. Okay, daily. Okay, see daily support now starting to form at the bottom of the wick. Okay, and then I see a 4-hour time frame coming up here. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Perfect. Okay. PK, we got some gold lovers in here, man. I'm telling you right now. If it was me, I wouldn't really be trading gold as much. You've been seeing the pairs we've been doing, guys. CAD, chef, you know, different minors, majors, different things like that. So let's take a look at the hourly, guys. Okay, okay. got now our hourly coming in here. Okay, I do see hourly. I'll see another one coming in. One more right there. Okay, definitely going to look to break that support level, guys. If we get below there, we have hourly support coming at previous structure. Okay, and then we have 30-minute coming in. Okay, nice wick. Okay, nice rejection coming in. Let's take a look at 15. There we go. Okay, guys, GU still looking good at the short here. Okay, let's take a peek now at the 5-minute. There we go. Okay, guys, pretty straightforward here. Let's take a peek. I want to get it right there, 5-minute, which is previous rejection. There we go. Okay, so let's watch. Let's take a peek at everything else, guys. 9:20 here. Let's take a peek at everything else we got going on. GU. Okay, nice move coming up here, guys. Let's watch and see what kind of move we're going to get on GU. It's got to get a close above here, guys. It's got to get a close above. The 5-minute trend looks good. Okay, but we need to close above here. If we don't close above, you're just going to get a couple wicks and price is going to push right back down. Okay, so we need to get a more momentum push for a close. You can see it's right at the 50 line. There we go. Okay. Gold is following GU right now, guys. From that move to that move, guys, you're looking at maybe about a 14 pip move. Okay, if it's going to continue, and where we're looking for it in a consolidation area. Okay, this is where price was previously rejected. Okay, you can see tried to flip bullish, nice rejection. Okay, and now we're going to see what kind of movement we're going to get to the top. It's about a 5 pip move right now running. Okay, 922, guys. All right, coming back into that 930 area. Just probably, I would say, just relax coming in. All right, it's up to you guys. I know people are still buying, pulling, you know, whatever you guys are doing. But my suggestion is just wait until the market starts to open at 930. Okay. Okay, so let's take a peek now. Look at gold, the choppy fest. Okay, so we just hit another 1850.52. So it actually tapped that target that we were aiming for before. Okay, gold is still pushing, guys. right at the 200 EMA. Okay. Okay, so guys, if you got that 50 buy there, 1850.5, that thing is running about 25 pips, okay, on the initial same trade right across the board. Okay, I was pretty much done with gold. You can see. Let's take one more minute here, 30 seconds, guys, then we'll focus on US 30. Okay, about 2 seconds here. Okay, let's take a peek at US 30 now. Gold is still testing that the 30 minute coming up. Okay, let's take a peek at GU here too, guys. Okay, so GU had an initial push down. You can see it's starting to retest. We'll take a look at Nasdaq as well in about 2 seconds. I just want to see if they're going to break GU up into that consolidation mark. Guys, who you guys got tonight? You guys got not tonight, sorry. Who do you guys got? Warriors or Celtics? What's going on here? I was watching the highlights just as it came up on my screen. We got some Oilers. Yeah, Oilers are looking good, guys. Celtics in 6. What do you guys think? Golden State? Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, let's take a peek at Nasdaq too. Okay, 926, guys. This is looking pretty good. Okay, so Nasdaq is still filling up. Lots of volume in the push. Golden State in 5. Okay, there's the buy on Nasdaq, guys. Perfect. Okay, so a little bit of a chop fest down here. Sell ran. Okay, you can see in the group that I sent. And then it would have hit probably your stop loss. I probably wouldn't have had it up here. Probably would have had it nice and tight here. And the only reason why is because of where we were at. Okay, on the market. Started to find support. Cut it early and then find your runner. Okay. So let's watch and see, guys. We're going to take a look at US 30. We got about 2 minutes here until market open. Let's take a peek at GU2 one more time. Nasdaq is flying. Lakers, come on, guys. You can't do the Lakers. There we go. There's a little bit of a break. Looking good. Okay, gold broke above, guys. Ate that 52. Take one more peek at gold here. I'm going to set an alarm right here on GU just in case we do flip and continue. Take a look at gold here. Okay, nice move, guys. Still continuing. Okay, it ran for about maybe from the 50 mark, about 30 plus pips, 33 pips. Okay, looking to get some continuation here. We're going to look at US 30. Okay, got about 1 minute left. Let's get ready for this, guys. Okay, 43 seconds here. Let's get the chart. Let's get ready. Okay, guys, so if you're new, don't trade the 930 candle. Wait about maybe 5-10 minutes. Okay, use only 1% plus your stop loss. Okay, let's watch and see what we got going on here. Here it is, guys. Here's the market open. Nasdaq is trying to push here, guys. If you are in Nasdaq, look to secure here, please. Okay, so a little bit of indecision right now. Let's take one more peek. Okay, 38 here, mark some clinics. There we go. What do you guys think? Do you guys think US 30 is going to dump? What's going on here? Okay, let's just watch. Big sell-off initially, guys. Big, trying to break that daily support level. Okay. So if we break here, guys, you can look take a short from the daily, maybe down to the hourly. Let's watch and see. I wouldn't do it on the first candle, but watch and see how the next candle opens up. Okay, so daily break here, coming back down to the hour. Oof, there you go, guys. Big break. Okay, big dump. Remember we talked about that daily dump here. Okay, gold is flushing. Gold's at 1854. So if we break that hourly, guys, this thing can come down even 4. Okay. Okay, big moves, guys. This is a big move. Watch the first candle open up. Let it do its thing. Big sells, guys. Big dumps. Okay. Remember I talked about the daily to hourly. You guys would already be done here if you guys took it. Okay. Roughly right there to there. If you missed it, that's okay. We'll find another reversal coming up. Okay. But you can see that would have been a nice little scalp to the bottom. Okay, looking at breaking that hourly. Okay, about a minute left here, guys. Gold is flying right now. Nasdaq is dumping too, guys. Let's take a peek on Nasdaq. Remember all the people saying buying on Nasdaq? This is why I told you to look to hold. Okay, it just tapped. Remember I told you guys, do not hold. Muhammad, just be careful on GU, okay? Just being real with you, look at gold. Okay, let's watch and see. Okay. Getting a little bit of push now, guys, on that sell. Big move, guys. Okay, so if Nas is going to continue to sell, guys, we're looking for obviously to get down to the daily. All right, big move here. Okay, so let's just watch and see. Nasdaq, we're going to have about 2 minutes for, 3 minutes for the next candle. All right, just update this. Big sell-off, guys. So we had the right opportunity for the short, but again, you can see it was just too early. All right, just gonna erase this 30-minute level right here. Take a peek at US, guys. Okay, US 30, the same thing, getting that retest of the hourly. Okay, very similar to Nasdaq, guys, retesting. Nasdaq is in the hourly, is around the 30-minute. Okay, so US, and we'll mark Nasdaq too. Okay, coming back down to the daily. Okay. Big move back down to the daily on Nas, guys, too. Okay, so if we tap daily, even from this movement right there, that's about almost a 40 pip move. Okay, so let's focus. I want to see if we're going to tap that daily, guys. Okay, that just daily tap. Okay, remember that trade idea? The sell is running about 40 pips on that, so still continuing to dump. All right. Let's take a peek at gold and US 30 now too. Okay, so Jesse, you're asking, say, waiting for gold, waiting for this, waiting for that. You understand when I'm live, I have to say those types of things. Most of the guys in the group, they just take the trade. Okay. For someone like this who doesn't really know what they're doing, right? You know that the channel is not really trading like that. I'm sending a bunch of stuff in the Discord. We've already hit like 3 gold trades, a GU trade, and Nasdaq. So if it's a little confusing for you, okay, I'm trying to be more cautious for you guys, right? But if you don't like that, then we could just say buy and sell all day, and there'd be no point of me having a group, right? So just be prepared for anything to happen at any time. I take a more cautious approach. I think you guys get to know that by now. So if you guys don't understand that, then probably best if you take a leave from the channel and then go somewhere else. Someone who's going to give you the free signals that you want. You know what I mean? And that's totally okay, because I respect those people too, for sure. Okay. I have guys in the group who are banking like crazy. Okay. Girls too. And they don't have any complaint of what's going on. So I do understand where you guys are coming from. Just wanted to kind of make that apparent, all right, that we've been in Nasdaq sells for the past 5 minutes based on the discords. Okay, so but when I'm live, I'm being a more of a cautious approach. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense, guys. Like I said, if it's not something you're looking for in the channel, please just find another channel and go to. That's probably the best bet for you, right? Okay, so Dow Jones is still selling, guys. Nice break below daily. All right. So let's see what's going on with this Nasdaq trade here. Okay, there you go, guys. You see this line right here? That's the Discord alert. 12,595. Okay, and that thing is running about 60 pips. Okay. No, guys, I don't think they're trolling. I just think they're maybe confused, which I understand. You know what I mean? I understand a little bit of confusion can come with it, but I don't know if they've been trading for a long time or not. That's the only thing. If you're a trader, if you know how to trade, you just press buy or sell. You know what I mean? That's really the only thing. So Carlos, would you be chasing if you're getting in now? I would say yes, just because sometimes they have that erratic reversal. So no worries, man. No worries. Just took a little bit of time, guys. The sells look promising. Okay, if you would have caught this would have been phenomenal. You know what I mean? But we had that pending sell order there, looking better, giving more of a confirmation below the previous structure. All right. So I'm looking, guys, for this thing. If it doesn't hold below daily, I'm looking for this thing to cap maybe 12,520 in and around this area. You know, but we'll watch. Okay. Let's take a peek at gold. Everyone's watching gold right now. 1853. It's kind of hovering in and out. Okay, let's see now in the 30-minute resistance, guys. Okay, let's take a peek at GU here, looking like it's going to sell. Overall continuation. Okay, dipping down, still holding that trend. Okay, we'll watch and see what kind of move we're going to get on GBP. All right, that's the trend right there. We're going to watch and see on the hourly. Okay. I'm going to focus on NAS. Oof. And guys, I will take a screenshot because I know everyone's, I think in the not in the Discord, okay, but in the FreeFX group. All right. So let's take a peek here. Looking to see if we can get that down. Okay. So let's just go from here. Okay, I will send this. Okay, I'll send it to the Discord group, guys, just so you have a question about why we've taken this Nasdaq, why we did, different things like that. And then we'll focus on US 30, guys. I'm waiting for the reversal. We have 10 a.m. news here, so I'm going to chill out for a bit. All right. See the 10 a.m. news? That's why I'm kind of just chilling, waiting. I don't usually stay till 10, but I will today. Got about 15 more minutes, all right? Okay, so got about 1 second left here, guys. Okay. Okay, so here it comes, guys. It's retesting the daily support. Okay, now this is market open. There's enough volume to push this thing right back. All right, right back up into this previous consolidation area. So if you guys are in on this, don't get greedy. Okay, they can push this thing right back. You might get a little bit of a pullback. Okay, getting some resistance right at this general area, but we'll watch. Okay. Okay, about 415 here. Okay, so remember we talked about that dip pullback. Guys, I'm just starting to read some of these comments now. Tamikia, just send us an email, hon. We'll get you set up again. No issues. If you're in before, okay, we'll get you set up. Not really many people have problems, issues, but I think it's just because you might have been with us before. Okay, guys, some of these guys, they are helping you in the chat. All right, so be thankful that some of these guys are taking the time to help you with lot sizes, different things like that. Most people, a lot of people, they wouldn't really do that. Okay, so give some admins some love, some moderators, and thank the guys in the channel, in the chat, for helping out. Okay, so you can see Nasdaq is going right back to break entry. Okay, so let's just give this 3 minutes. Let's watch and see how we're going to move. Okay, because we can start to flip and go bullish. I want to see where we're at. I think we're approaching that 50 line. Yeah, there we go on NAS. We'll flip over into US 30 here. Okay, let's take a peek at 1 US. Okay, same thing as Nasdaq. Nice sells. Now we're breaking that hourly support. Okay, a lot of momentum here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Look at the indecision. Okay, coming right back down to the 4 hour. You can see that was the dip, the push, the handle, the cup, and then the breakout to the upside here on US 30. Okay, let's take a peek at the 5. Yeah, we can add the 9 for sure, guys. Okay, 9 is below. Okay, and where's the 200 people are asking? Let's take a peek at this as well. Okay, we are above. Okay, Nasdaq getting some rejection here. Let's take a peek at gold and GU for a sec, guys. Okay, just update this real quick. Guys, remember I told you watch your GU. Okay, this is the reason why right here. The trend is still very strong on the 5. For some reason, guys, 5-minute trends hold weight. Okay, especially when you're scalping. All right. So don't get greedy. If you guys are in on this and you don't want to hold, you are maybe 1-2 pips in profit, depending. If you got down in here, wherever you may have got in. Okay, still looking good. You don't need to take this trade anymore. I still think it's going to at least tap the 30-minute. Okay, maybe full out the trade of 13 pips, but we'll watch and see here. Okay. Okay, look at Nasdaq, guys. Remember we talked about short-term pullbacks? Okay. Here's your pullback. Looking for a potential tap. Tamiki, we'll find your email, hon. We'll find your email. Okay. Last couple days, if you want to know the truth, we had over, I think it was like 82 emails. So we'll get you, don't worry. Okay, so here's Nasdaq, guys. Here's the rejection at the 9 EMA. All right. Guys, make sure to give a shout out to Shahab and PK. Okay. These guys are they're working with us, and you can see the stuff that they're doing on YouTube is answering a lot of questions which they don't have to do, but they're keeping the stream going. So just give them some love, guys. Give them a little bit of a shout out. Okay. What do you guys want to do now? Okay, here's the thing. We got till about 10 a.m. What do you guys want to do? Do you want to focus on gold? Do you want to do US 30? Do you want to do Nasdaq? I think this time in about 10 minutes, guys, okay, we're going to get some nice moves leading into news. I just want to see what you guys would like to do. All right, GU, Neon Rave. There we go. Gold, you pick. My man, Business Beyond, dude. Hopefully you're good, Joel. It's good to see you again. We got GU and gold, eh? No one likes the indices right now. Want to check out GU? Let's take a peek at gold, GU. Guys, remember I told you about GU? Mohammed, remember, bro, I told you about the short? I said be careful, but the 5-minute trend, you can see now it's running 10 pips on the buy, right? So you caught the nice little probably pullback, okay? Did you secure though, bro? I didn't ask you that. Did you secure? Okay, good too. Nice. What do you guys think, guys? I want to hear it. Put 2 comments in the chat. Do you guys want to do, what do you think US 30 is going to be, and what do you think Nasdaq is going to be? Do you think they're going to be bullish or bearish? What do you guys think? Everyone's saying bear, okay. Bullish, my man Rian, Chef Corn, my man. The US 30 wants to close this monthly doji. That's interesting. When you hear someone talking about higher time frame, guys, you know they're analyzing it a little bit more thorough. We go from daily, you know. US reject 200, okay. Market's going down. We had our nice little pulls, guys. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold's going to tell us a lot. Okay, you can see it's just kind of hovering right around that 30-minute, 1852. Okay, 1852. All right, going to leave gold alone for now. This is an engulfing candlestick, guys. Okay, this is an engulfing candlestick, so I do see price, although this is really choppy. Okay, maybe gold can start to sell off below that 1850 area. Okay, we'll watch and see. Let's take a peek at that dirty 30 move. Guys, listen. If we break above this 9 EMA right here, okay? If we break above the 9 EMA, all right, I'm looking for a potential trade. We can look to walk it back up to the consolidation here, okay? One sec, guys. I gotta let out the kitty cat. Okay, GBP just tapped, guys. Okay, I'm watching now US 30 here. The cat's going crazy. It wanted to be let out. Let's watch. Okay, Nasdaq is getting rejected here, guys. I think we might get some rejection. Let's watch right here. Okay, let's take a peek at GU. Just look at that big move, guys. Did anyone take GBP USD? Anyone hold GU? Guys, that thing ran about 15 pips, almost, depending on where you guys would have got in. Now you can see previous consolidation pushing right back up. Okay. Wall Street, I don't want to finish your name. How did I know G was going to be bullish? I started to see that 5-minute trend, and then you can see it flipped over the 9. As soon as it held that hourly support, okay, you can see there's a little bit of stagnance on the RSI too. So RSI is kind of flipping a little bit bullish here. It's holding, right? And then we're still getting sell pressure. So kind of my thought process of the switch. And then when I saw the 9 cross and then it started to hold, that was a good indication. All right. I still think GU guys can get up to the 5-minute at 26, 2600 mark, right up in here. I still think it can get up to there roughly, and then around here. Okay, so let's watch. And to the left, guys, it's interesting because you can see that's the previous rejection mark. Okay, that's the previous rejection mark. All right. Okay, so let's check out gold here. Gold is not the best to be trading right now. We talked about engulfing candlesticks, selling. I do like the 1850.5 short right here. Okay, so let's just watch and see, guys. Let's watch and see what happens. Set our stop loss near the 9 EMA, okay, near the 30-minute resistance, and we'll see what kind of move we're going to get out of here. Okay, Nasdaq is flipping too. GBP CAD. I don't trade that one, bro. I wish I did. I don't do it live. I'm just not familiar with it. You know what I mean? It's like playing golf. Oh, my camera's turned off, guys. That's so sorry about that. It's like playing golf without having to practice a swing. You know what I mean? Okay, minute. Let's watch and see. About 1:30 here. Okay, I want to flip over, check your US 30. 2 minutes, guys, until news. Okay, so we have not got a close above here just yet. Okay. One minute, guys, they're holding, they're pinching it right in the hourly and the 9. Okay, so monitor this. I want to see gold here too. What news, guys? Look at Forex Factory. You'll be able to see. what are your thoughts on gold now? That's a good one. Okay, let's just take a peek at GU one more time before we get this news. Okay, GU's bouncing in and out. Okay, so don't get greedy on GU, guys. If you guys are in this, okay, I think GU can still go bullish, but look to secure some just in case the news flips everything. Okay, just in case the news flips everything. Okay, here we go, guys. There it is. Boom, there's the dump. Did anyone get that gold sell? I went right into profits on that freaking thing. Oh, guys, did anyone hold it? Oh, fuck. I told you news, guys. Oh, shit. I gotta get the hell out of these. Take your pips, guys. This is how we're ending the call. Oh, goodness. Guys, look at this thing. Just posted in the FreeFX group, guys. That thing is dumping. 1850. Don't get greedy here, guys. Take your pips. Okay, this thing is crazy right now. Oh my god, it's still dumping. Oh, guys, shit. This thing is dumping, guys. Say bye to gold right now. That's a, not bye to gold, obviously, but that's a big move, guys. Oh my goodness. Guys, secure right now. This thing could pump right back up. Not gonna lie to you. This thing is going. Guys, you see this? You see this gray line right here? 1848. Okay? That's a sell stop that was sent to Discord. Okay? Original sell, guys. We're running in it almost. Almost coming to it. So this thing's running about 20 pips. Okay, that's a big move, guys. That's, I had this set up the entire time, just waiting. Okay? I'm watching to see now how this is going to play out. But look at this, guys. I'm looking to fill this wick right here. This is the key I'm looking for. Okay, guys. So cool. That's a good way to end the call. Let's have a good day, guys. We'll resume same time, same channel tomorrow. Okay. Don't get greedy on days like this, guys. Remember, things happen anytime. Price is in pips or you're making profit. Secure some, move stop loss to break even, whatever it may be. Okay. So, guys, yeah, the Euro JPY is approaching the entry too. So, guys, this thing is still selling off here. Don't get greedy. Secure when you possibly can. Okay, that's a big dump. Okay, gold took forever, and as you can see, it's now approaching that 45 for about maybe 25, 30 pips there. Okay, so cool, guys. This thing is continuing. Hopefully everyone has a good day, and let me just quickly go over this for you, guys. This is the site here. If you want to join, you can see Stocks Never Trading. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time on it here. Okay, you can see right here 100 different languages. If you want to transform the text, okay, the text, all right, You can see now, this is our time we have. This is our webinar. We have tonight, guys, back testing. We have London. We had one today, and then we have live New York right now. Okay. This is our plans, guys. You can see whatever you may want to do if you want to join whatsoever. The only thing is, guys, this the sniper alerts, you don't get access to our Discord chat or our family channel like that. Okay, it's just the actual chat itself. Okay. These are our pillars, guys. Kind of go over this once before. You guys are probably familiar with it, so just check it out. Okay. This is our trading schedule. This is probably the most important part, guys. Monday through Friday, live London. Then we have live New York. Okay. And then now we do three to four webinars per week that are all recorded and updated on the group. Okay. So that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, get in touch with us here. Give us about 12 to 48 hours to answer it. A couple days. Like I said, we do have a lot of things to hash out. We have admins answering these emails, so just give us some time. But that was a good call today, guys. I'm really happy about it. Hope everyone got a little bit of some of those sells, the pips, and it was a nice market open, nice slow. Okay, and we'll resume tomorrow, guys. That's pretty much it. So have a great day, guys. God bless you, and try to stay cold if you guys are in that heat wave that I'm in. Later, guys. Bye.
Every trader's focus is to get low spreads and finding a perfect strategy. They also focus on proper entries and exits. However, before any decision is made, look for a reliable broker. We all want to have good spreads and commissions that allow us to get into the blue faster. At HankoTrade, having spreads as low as 0.0 pips with leverage available up to 500 times is just one click away. You may also choose from 3 different account types, with a minimum deposit as low as $10. Built by traders for traders. Trade and control with our recommended broker, HankoTrade.